Good morning students. Last class we discussed about fractions and types of fractions. Today we will discuss equivalent fractions. What is the meaning of equivalent fractions? Actually, take one fraction 2 by 3. Okay, in that 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. Already we know 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. For this fraction, first of all, this fraction is standard form or not, have to check. Standard form or not, you have to check. Means what is the meaning of standard form? Before going equivalent fraction, first of all I will check this is the standard form or not. Standard form means these 2 and 3 is possible cancellation or not, except one table. Except one table is possible cancellation and 2 and 3 is not possible. Why? Because 2 is in 2 table, 3 is in 3 table, and 2 and 3 is in not in any table except 1. That's why there is not possible to cancellation. That's why this is the standard form. This is the standard form of fraction should multiply any number with numerator and denominator equally. If you multiply only numerator, the value will change. If you multiply only denominator, the value will change. That's why without changing value, we should multiply the numerator and denominator with equal number. That any number should take, nothing problem. But should multiply equally with numerator and equally with the denominator. Here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 by 6. Next, now I am taking 3 by 3. One more thing important, what is that means, here should multiply with numerator one number, should multiply with denominator one number. That is wrong. Compulsory should multiply numerator and denominator with equal number. That too only you have to apply only multiplication and division operations. In fraction should not apply addition and subtraction operation. For example, 2 by 3 minus 2 minus 2. This is wrong. Only we have to use multiplication and division operation only for this equivalent fractions. Now should multiply. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Like that. 2 by 3, now I am taking 5. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Here observe 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 10 by 15. These three are the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 10 by 15 are equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 10 by 15 are equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. Now I will ask one question. How many number of equivalent fractions of a fraction? For example, I will take one fraction. Should find out the how many possible number of the equivalent fractions is possible. We can multiply any number. Here I am taking just 2 and 3 and 5. You can take 10, 20, 100, 1000, lakhs, whatever it is, but should multiply numerator and denominator equally. These are called equivalent fractions. Means each and every fraction have infinite number of equivalent fraction. Infinite number. Why? Because we can't say how many number of equivalent fractions are there. Here not only multiplication, we can see, for example, this is one example. Next, 6 by 8. Second example is 6 by 8. Actually, to find the equivalent fractions means each and everyone have to think just to multiply. not only multiplication, division also. Then 6 divided by and 8 divided by. See, 6 and 8 is in which table? 6 and 8 in which table? 2 table is there. 2. 6 is divided by 2, 8 is divided by 2. Already I said, should do any operation of multiplication and division with equally to numerator and denominator. Before problem, we performed multiplication operation with numerator and denominator. In this problem, we performed division operation equally to numerator and denominator. 6 by 2 is nothing but, 6 divided by 2 is nothing but 3, 8 divided by is nothing but 4. Means 3 by 4 is the standard form. 3 by 4 is the standard form. There is not possible to cancellation. 3 by 4 is 3 by 4, last that only. Again, we'll doing division means will not possible. We will get some more remainder. Will not get 0 remainder. That's why 6 by 8 means the 6 by 8 is not a standard form. Why? Because it's possible with cancellation of number. What is the number is 2. 6 by 8 is nothing but that is possible cancellation with 2. 2 3 jar, 2 8 jar. Again 6 by 8 should multiply with 2 by 2. 6 2 jar 12, 8 2 jar 16. Like that 6 by 8 into 10 by 10, 6 10 jar 60, 8 10 jar 80. Then these 6 by 8 the first one what is that? 3 by 4, 12 by 16, 60 by 80 are equivalent fractions of 6 by 8. 6 by 8. Equivalent fractions means should do any operation will change one form to another form. For example, 6 by 8 should multiply with 10, 60 by 80 will come. For example, 6 by 8 should divided by with 2, 3 by 4 will come. Same 6 by 8 should multiply with 2, 12 by 16 will come. Okay, there is a link between all fractions. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. But which fraction there is not possible the cancellation, that fraction is called standard form. Standard form. Okay, this is the standard form, and the remaining all fractions are called equivalent fractions. The equivalent fractions, what is the rule means? Should operate any operation means multiplication and division with numerator and denominator equally. Numerator and denominator equally. Now comparison of two fractions. Comparison of two fractions. See here 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. We have two fractions. In this, which is the smallest fraction, which is the biggest fraction we know. First of all, to compare any two fractions, compulsory should equal the denominators or should equal the numerators. Okay, before going this problem, I will explain that. First of all, I am taking 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and again 3 by 7, 5 by 7. 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Okay, otherwise 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Small numbers only will take. Now observe. This is the first example. This is the second example. Okay. In first example, numerators are equal. In second example, denominators are equal. First example, numerators are equal. Second example, denominators are equal. See, in that 1 by 2 is more, 1 by 3 is more actually. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 chocolate for 2 members. 1 chocolate for 2 members. Just guess that. 1 chocolate for 2 members. It will come more. Otherwise 1 chocolate for 3 members, it will come more. 1 chocolate for 2 members, it will come more. That's why 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 3. Okay? This is 1 chocolate. This is 1 by 2. Same chocolate. This is 1 by 2. Which is more? This is more. This is less. 1 by 2 is more than 1 by 3. When two numerators are equal, then which is the value is less than in denominator, that is more. Which is the value is more than in denominator, that is less. Next, second case. In second case, here numerators are different, denominators are equal. Numerators are different, denominators are equal. 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 means 3 chocolates for 2 members and 5 chocolates for 2 members. 3 chocolates for 2 members and 5 chocolates for 2 members. Who will get more? Means which one will get more? 3 chocolates for 2 members. Here members is 2 members only, but chocolates is 3 here, they have 5. Means 5 is more than the value is 1. See, observe, when numerators are equal, the denominator which will be less, that is whole fraction is more. When denominators are equal, which will be more of numerator, that fraction is more. Don't be confused. In that, two numerators are equal, which denominator is less, the whole fraction is more. Denominator is less means the fraction is more. Which case? In numerators are equal. In denominators are equal, numerator is less means fraction also less, numerator is more means fraction also more. That's why maximum members we have to select to equate the denominators. First of all, to equate the denominators. Why? Because if your denominators are equal, then easily should calculate which is the smallest, which is the highest. Now come to the problem. 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here numerators are not equal and denominators also not equal. In that 2 by 7, 4 by 5. First what have to do it means, first of all, to equate the denominators. To equate the denominators means, first of all take it 7 into 5. We have cross multiplication method and LCM method also. Then first we apply cross multiplication method. Means the first fraction with the second denominator, second fraction with the first denominator should multiply. 2 by 7 into 5 by 5, 4 by 5 into 7 by 7. First fraction, the first whole fraction should multiply with the second denominator, second fraction multiply with the first denominator. 2 5 are 10, 7 5 are 35, 4 7 are 28, 5 7 are 35. Observe. Now two denominators are equal and numerators will be not equal. Nothing problem. Then two denominators are equal, no? According to the rule, the two denominators are equal. Which numerator is less, that value is less. Which numerator is more, that value will be more. Means this one. 28 by 35 is more, 10 by 35 is less. Actually 10 by 35 value is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is less than the 4 by 5. This is the comparison of fractions. Okay, I repeat once again. 2 by 7 and 4 by 5 we have. Here numerators are not equal and denominators also not equal. First of all, we have to equal the denominators. Then we have so many methods. On that, just we are using the first fraction with the second denominator, second fraction with the first denominator. Means cross multiplication method we are applying here. Then 2 5 are 10, 7 5 are 35, 4 7 are 28, 5 7 are 35. Now two denominators are equal. Then the numerators will be which is less, that value, whole value is less. Which is more, that whole value will be more. Means compared to 10 and 28, 28 is more. That's why second fraction is more than the first fraction. Next, okay, here 5 fractions we have. Out of this fraction, first of all we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means in that, first of all, which is the, what is the ascending order is nothing but small value to big value. In that, out of total, which is a small value, 1 by 9, 1 by 7 or 9 by 7? We have to check. See, all denominators are equal, then which numerator is less value, which numerator is having less value, that whole fraction will be less. Means out of this, 1 by 7 is the least one. Okay. Ascending order 1 by 7. After 1 by 7, which is the smallest one? 2 by 7. Next 3 by 7. Next 4 by 7. Next 9 by 7. This is the ascending order. Descending order means we have to write reverse. In all denominators are equal is nothing but all are like fractions, we can follow this method. In descending order, we can write reverse 9 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 1 by 7, like that. I will write. Just reverse 9 by 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 1 by 7. But this ascending order and descending order, only these are with like fractions. In unlike fractions we have one more method. Okay, this is the ascending order, descending order. See, next for unlike fractions we will continue next class.